how to change your profile picture on TikTok. So if you want to change your profile picture on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok app, and this is the interface that you will normally see. Now what you have to do is you want to simply tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then here you can see my current profile picture. Now I can just long press on it, right? So there's no need for me to do anything, or not this plus icon. This is for adding story. I want to long press on the profile picture right here, and here I can just tap on this option that says change photo. So just tap on the change photo option, and then I can go ahead and choose another photo out of all this list. Once done, I can tap the next option. I can crop it to a certain size or whatever else it is. I can also post the photo to your story if you select this icon, but I will uncheck that and tap on the save option to save the changes. This way I should be able to change my profile picture on TikTok. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.